Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to turn off apps notification on Google phone. So friends, you want to open any app notification on your Google phone. So guys, how to turn off apps notification? Friends, you don't want to use guys like YouTube notification, your Google notification, WhatsApp notification, any app guys you don't want to use notification. So by how to turn off it today friends I am going to show you in this video. Friend, first open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Google phone guys notification setting. Friends, will click on notification. Friends, you can see notification apps notification setting. So friends, tap here. So friends, you can see most recent. So guys, tap here, and friends, you can find your all apps here. As you can see, after on all app, friends, your contact notification and clock notification you don't want to use, you can off from here. Like friends, it is game notification guys I don't want to use, so I can off from here. Gmail and Google notification guys you want to on, and guys already on you don't want to use, so you can off from here. Friends, tap here allow notification guys, tap here to disallow notification. Same setting guys, Play Store you don't want to use your Play Store notification guys, so when you can tap here, your Play Store notification will off, so guys Play Store notification will not come on your status bar. Friends, shortly setting you can off from here your apps notification. And guys, one more option guys, how to app notification guys, which app guys you want to off notification guys, press on this app like this Picard app guys I have. So I will tap here. Friends, you can see notification. So friends, you can direct on your notification and you can direct off from here guys. So like that guys, we can on and off apps notification. So as tap here, and guys, which app guys you want to on notification guys, right side guys, tap here, your notification will on. Like guys, Google you want to on, Gmail notification you want, photos notification, Play Store notification. So friends, you can on from here guys your apps notification guys from here. And friends, you can see notification history. Friends, your notification history is on, so guys you can check your notification history. You don't want to use notification history guys, you can off from here. So I hope friends you understood how to use apps notification setting on Google phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.